Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome to my cooking channel Wonder Cook Room. In today's video, we are going to make easy chicken potato croquettes at home. These are quick to make and turn out to be very delicious. They are a perfect evening snack and are best for your kids' lunchbox. Watch the full video and do try this recipe at your home. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's move on to our recipe. For this we need 5 medium-sized potatoes. First we would boil the potatoes. You can peel them off, cut them and then boil those. But here I have already boiled them and peeled them off. Transfer them in a bowl and mash them properly. Make sure that each of the potato is crushed and there are no big chunks. Now this is what the mashed potatoes look like, and next we would be needing a cup of chicken boiled and shredded. For taste we need a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of mixed Indian spices. Next we would be using cheese. It's totally optional. It's better if you cut them in rectangular shapes. Now we would move on to preparing these. To the mashed potatoes, add the chicken and the spices, salt, black pepper and garam masala or mixed Indian spices. Now we would mix the ingredients well. We would combine the potatoes and chicken together. Just press them with your fingers till they are incorporated into each other. This process can be a little messy, but you can do it with a spoon or fork. But doing this with your hands would mash the potatoes more and incorporate everything together well. While you are mixing it, if you feel that you have used less chicken, you can add more of the chicken. It's totally up to you. It would just increase the number of croquettes you make. There would be no other problem. With my recipe, you would be able to make up to 12 croquettes at a time. So it's totally your choice if you want to increase the recipe or so. After we have mixed the things together, we would start making the croquettes or shaping them. We would shape them into oval. You can make them circle or any shape you want. We would just make them into 1.5 inch sized ovals like this. Just make sure that everything is mixed together. They don't have any space between them or it would break. I hope you understand my point. First we are just making the plain potato croquettes. Next we would be making some cheese filled potato croquettes. We would take some of the mixture and flatten it on our palm and then add the cheese. Just make sure that you cut your cheese into cuboids, like in rectangular shapes, and so that they fit into the croquette, and then you would press it all over so that it's all put together and it does not break. Let's repeat the process. If you are new to my channel, please click the red subscribe button down below. It's for free and you would get amazing recipes like this one. So we are done with shaping all our croquettes. Once we are done with shaping our croquettes, we would be moving on to coating them. For the coating, you need an egg. You would whisk it well, and you need breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are a little the sweeter side, so you may add a pinch of salt and pepper to it to neutralize the sweetness of the breadcrumbs. For frying the croquettes, we would take a frying pan. We would deep fry our croquettes on medium to low heat. So this is the way you coat the breadcrumbs. First you coat it with egg and then place it on the breadcrumbs and coat it well. You may double coat it if you want more crispier one, but a single coat would do the work. I hope you get what I said. Next we would place them into the pan. You can coat all the croquettes and then fry them, or you can do it one by one. So this is our first batch. So So you can see it has turned a little brown from one side, and I have turned it. You just make them a little brown, like they should not be darker brown, they should be goldenish brown. So here our first batch is out and we are done with our croquettes. Just keep them on this for a few minutes so that the oil they have should come out, and then you can dish them out. Here we are done with our recipe. I hope you liked and enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, give this video a like, comment what you think of it, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new. Share this recipe with your friends and do try this at home. You would love it. Let's see what they look like from the inside. I would be cutting first a simpler one without cheese. Wow, it's so crispy from the outside and it looks absolutely amazing from the inside and is well cooked. Now we would look at a cheese one. It looks very yummy and mouth-watering. I would end the video here. I hope you liked the recipe and enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like it, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Take care. Bye.